The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Happy Monday, fellas. Thank you, Dennis. Ed, good morning. Andrew, good morning. Fellas, very good morning. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. Morning, Michael. Hubba, good morning. Guys, I tried to sign up this morning for the one of the guys sent me, I guess Ninja Trader is doing some kind of competition. Good morning, Tom. And I did try to sign up for it this morning, but it is full. So if anyone becomes aware of another Ninja Trader event, trading competition, please let me know. In any event, guys, good morning. As you may recall, it is a banking holiday in the UK and Europe, I believe. Some of my European people are here. Maybe they can confirm that. I recall them saying it was a banking holiday today. Volume is just about average, right? We're at 69,000. Call it 70,000. 68,000 contracts is normal when we come in. So we are at normal volume. I'm not sure. It's not a bank holiday in the UK. It's next Monday. Oh, okay. Thank you, Richard. Then we just have inordinately low volume, or at least average volume, and inordinately low relative to what we've had in the past. Where it looks like we're coming to 495 as somebody wants to try to catch a quick short. Target 1, 494, 495. In any event, couple of things. Please pay attention. One, I believe Wednesday is the last day of the month of April. That means on Thursday, you will need a new room link. I've already done it. I haven't sent it to Sean yet, but you will need a new room link on Thursday. If you guys have access to the member area, and most everybody does, the room link is in the member area, or will be, right? I'll make sure it's there on Tuesday, tomorrow. Also, tomorrow at 11:30, I am going to have a meeting with everyone that owns the trend candles. Okay? I would like for everyone to attend. Cancel your golf game. Don't go play poker. Whatever it is you guys do. 11:30 Eastern, right after I close the room, Tom. Maybe I did it for 11:45. I forget. It might. I have the link. I will post it in the group Skype. I will have Sean post it in the member area. And I think it's important that each of you attend. Okay. I did some back testing over the weekend. I posted a video in member Skype. If you guys want to watch it, great. There's not anything there other than the testing and settings I was using, whatever. I did some on the NASDAQ. I did some on the YM. In any event, in the overnight session, both of my accounts, gold and crude, hit their daily goals. Gold and crude hit daily goal. Neither will trade the rest of the day. The only change I made was I changed gold to $1,200. Okay? For those of you that are on trial or may watch this video on YouTube, gold trades from 1 a.m. Eastern until 6 a.m. Eastern. The only time that I trade it outside of those hours is in the event that it did not get its daily goal. So I will not trade gold the rest of the day, although it looks like it would be in a long. But it looks like there was a long here that that failed, flipped into a short, and then again got targets here. I can check trades. Here is crude. Crude had two trades in the overnight, a long to first target, then a short to first and second, and that's at 720. Let me take a look at you guys want to give me some of your I saw one other person posted in member Skype their gold and crude also hit daily goals. Anybody else, one member sent me an email. He did not make money. What, anybody run gold overnight? Or crude? Veronica both hit goals. Barry's gold is down. Dennis hit daily goal. Ron is up 950. John had both goals hit. There's 71 coming. Barry CL hit daily goal. Oh, Besson yapping. Yeah. Okay. All right. If you guys are here on trial, I want to welcome you to the room. We do have a few trials, a number of trials actually beginning today. We have some that'll conclude from last week. I just want to briefly go over what you're going to see in the room this week. My room is a little busy. So there are two things that will be taking place in this room. The primary screen that you're looking at, I have 6 screens. The primary screen that you're looking at is not an automated system. That is my market structure indicator. Off of these charts, I am trading discretionarily. Okay? I have taken one trade this morning on an Apex account, an evaluation. I'm up 470. That was on a 2-contract natural gas short. The other thing that you will see is the automated system. All right, I will be running NASDAQ on a 1 minute and NASDAQ on a 3 minute. Now these are both, they're all going to be in sim actually today because I'm using the same settings that I tested over the weekend. I just want to make sure that in a live market opposed to market replay, everything is operational. This is the ES daily goal on this. Let me fix this now. $1,000. Okay. And this is the YM. And for those of you guys that have been trading a 15 range, I'm going to use it on a 1 minute today. This is the back testing I did on Saturday and Sunday. So I'm going to use this on a 1 minute today. And the automated systems will begin trading at 9:35. All right. Now, they're not always going to be in trades. So trial members and sporadic emails will ask me, well, if you have an automated system, why are you trading, discretionarily? Because we need to make money when the auto systems are not in trades. Now, my goal is that the YM will make its daily goal of $500. In the back testing, letting it run, I had $3,000 days. Let's make it 700. And assuming everything functions as it did in market replay, I will go back to some Apex accounts tomorrow. Okay, PA accounts, etc. Does anybody have any questions? For those of you that are on trial, I do the same thing every day. I read the disclaimer. I then go through top-down analysis on charts, and we get after it. We've already got one trade. If anybody took that NASDAQ trade, you've already got money in the bank. All right, let's get on with it. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. I don't know that it does, but it can. But there's a lot of support down in here. We do have a fairly strong negative delta. So 92 breaks. I mean, if you guys wanted to take some risk off at 93, you can do it. It's only 6 ticks. It's not worth, in my opinion, wouldn't be worth the trade, but trade them as you see fit. I think we get this auction. I don't know about that. That's the bottom of the 2 minute. Gold is turning over. Let me see silver. When silver rolls, yeah, silver's coming down too, guys. I'm going to short silver 235.
Order submitted.
With target 1 at 180.
Order submitted.
And target 2 at 155.
Order submitted.
Okay, those are unfinished auctions. Gold, I will short gold at 02.3. Still a ways away on gold.
Order submitted.
Try to get, boy, that's a big trade. I'll try to take one off at 97.7. Let me see here.
Order submitted.
If I can get a better, yeah, ahead of that, maybe 96.7 and 93.1,
Order submitted.
the unfinished auction. I mean, these are, that's a fairly big, trade, so trade accordingly. Copper has unfinished auctions, but we're not turning over. Natural gas, I caught that short this morning, is done. Crude is goofing around. We're nowhere near there yet. So we're just kind of waiting. We just need this to break, guys. We got first target on silver.
Order submitted.
And crude is fixing to get first target. It's at first target, not filling
Order
it.
filled.
All right, first target filled on crude.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
All right, so we have first target off on crude, first target off on Silverberto. That was the unfinished auction, so that's gone. Now I'm trying to get down to the halfback at 74. Let me get Greg in the room. And hang on, Greg, I've got to find you. Gotcha, Greg.
Morning.
Morning, man. Happy Monday, brother.
Yeah, right back at you.
Got silver short here. Got that unfinished auction. Trying to get this next one down here. Got a short on crude working. Got first target at an unfinished auction. Trying to get 75, which is the halfback.
I have crude on support here from.
Yep. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
I see.
All right.
I see it. And they're buying them.
Now, I am long YM, and I think if you're not long, are you long NQ already?
No.
Okay. I think if it breaks this 53, it's maybe push up.
I am pending a gold short at 3302.3.
Yeah, no, I like that. Get down to 99.1, I would say, first target.
I had 96.7, but I'll go to 99.1, brother. I'm all about getting risk off. And then down here at 92.7 is an unfinished auction. That would be my next target. It's a ways away, but I think it's coming. I'd like to see silver. So there's,
Order filled.
all right, short gold. I'm short silver. And for the day, we're up $1,000. Not a bad Monday morning. All right, guys, I'm going to breakfast. I am going to leave you with Greg. And I'll be back at 9:20. All right?
See you.
See you in 20, Greg. See you at 20, guys. I'm going to take one off on NASDAQ in about 1 second here and then hold one.
Order filled.
All right, I took one off. I'm holding one for a final target off at 91 if I can get it.
Order submitted.
Okay? Come on, break here. Let's go, horse. Not now, Nikki. You see we're trading, right? Not now. Go to the members area.
Order submitted.
Watch this 93.
Come on.
Order submitted. Order filled.
There it is. All right. Come on, horse. Give me that target. Seriously? You're not going to give me target 2? We're holding support here, guys, at VWAP. They basically sold everything back. We're into a pretty good support area. You agree, Greg?
Yeah, that 93 was an area that I would anticipate to hold. Doesn't mean it's gonna.
Order canceled.
I'd say if it breaks 82, it'll be coming.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
ES is long. NASDAQ is short on the 3-minute. ES is long.
Order canceled.
Target 1 hit on NASDAQ.
Order canceled.
Target 2 hit on NASDAQ.
Order canceled.
Target 3 hit on NASDAQ. 3 minutes up 1600. Daily goal is 2000, so there may be one more trade in there. ES looks like it's going to get beat on its first trade. I've changed no settings on the ES. So, all right, guys. Small negative delta. I think we go back up here. ES pops here. It's getting targets, guys. We basically held that 90-93 zone. Small net sellers in here. Looks like on the 15-minute, though, we could be building a big bear flag. Anybody take that last short, guys? So we caught a nice long, we caught a nice short.
$82 breaks. It's going to be sweet.
That, to me, doesn't look good. There goes ES. Come on, baby. Go get a target. There we go. Trail stop kicked in at 10 tick. Oh, target 1 hit.
Order canceled.
Okay. Guys, let's see what we can come up with. No trades on the YM, no trades on the NASDAQ, 1 minute. Need longs, guys. Need longs if we're going to get trades.
I don't know which blue chip is running. Man, they are pushing the YM.
Yeah. They're buying YM today.
Order submitted.
ES just took another long. Again, tomorrow at 11:45 a.m. I am meeting with everyone that has the trend candles. It is in your best interest to be there. What's your short breakdown short? 82 on NASDAQ?
82 breaks. It's, I think, going to go. You're still holding shorts.
No, I'm flat. I came out flat at VWAP, right around that 91.2 area. I had the same support level as you.
Holy smokes, what happened here at copper?
Where is it?
Big candle there. Let me see here. Big sell on that. Earlier short I have on copper is
Order
887.
Okay. 2 targets hit, or target 1 and a trail stop on the bounce back. I've only got the trail stop set, guys, at 10 ticks. So It's going to get taken out on that trail more often than not. The link will be posted in the member area. I've sent it to Sean as of 15 minutes ago, and it will be
Order submitted.
in the members.
Order canceled.
Okay. That canceled out. All right, this is done, guys. This is done. 1 minute is long. 3 minute is done at 1950. Won't take another. It said daily goal is 2,000. It's done. So the 1 minute is long. About 300 net buyers. We're pushing resistance here around this 55 area. If this gets above 57, it's going to go to 72 to 5, and then a potential breakout. Here's where the break even will engage, which it just did. Don't you give back 900 bucks. Don't you do it. Here we go. Trail kicks in above this next level here. Come on, big guy. Let's go. You scumbag. Got that 75 area. It's got to break above 75. It goes 88, 89. I just saw the day high flash on the DOM. We only have 300 net buyers, guys.
Order canceled.
There's target 1. Need a close above this area to get the trail kicking in. There we go. Come on. 88, 89 coming. There's the trail. There we go. I don't think there's any way in hell it gets that second target. We're at yesterday's high here, guys. It's got to break here, and then it's got a shot at getting that next target. The only thing that's not traded so far is YM. It's just straight longs right now. New 15-minute bar.
Watch that 06 area.
see what we got on the hourlies here, Greg. Oh hell, this thing is headed towards 680. We're going to the 50-day moving average, guys. I told you. I mean, that's the probability. Man, if this makes another push and gets that second target, I'm going to choke. Look at this. Look at this son of a bitch go.
Order canceled.
Got second target, fellas. We are at 35.40 on the day. One trade. I meant to reshort gold. I didn't. My daily goal was set at an obscene rate of 4,000. And this is, let's see here, total P&L unrealized. This should close the trade in 40 seconds. No, we're at 2,065 plus the runner. I'm sorry. That's because I put it on tick. Take it off of at bar close. You guys will get the same trades. Going to cover all this tomorrow. I posted it in member Skype, but nobody watches the videos and, you know. All right, guys. Support is 600 area. You can buy that on the pullback. Yesterday's high was 89. Yes, it will be, Brian.
Order submitted.
All right. ES took another long. ES is within about $400 of being done for the day. Sitting on support here, guys, on the NASDAQ.
Order canceled.
I just got jacked around. Was there news at 9:49?
I didn't have anything.
I don't know what that was about. Oh, man. How do I get rid of this? Somebody send me a message in Skype how to get rid of that.
Order filled.
Okay. Come on. I have a final target at 20.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
You chump. I'll close this in a second here, guys.
Right back.
All right, Greg.
Order filled.
All right, I'm flat. Now it comes. All right, YM went break even. Didn't hit first target, but it's gonna get taken out here. I think it break.
Order submitted.
This is gonna piss me the freak off. Well, NASDAQ would have gotten my first target. It just bounced against me. Come on, YM breakdown. NASDAQ should still get 20 if you guys want to take it out. I like NASDAQ long, guys. Momentum is done on the downside. We're back up to 450. We're holding volume point of control. We just retraced a bit. I'm looking for a long entry on NASDAQ. I don't have it yet. At least above 28.
I agree. I had it there at resistance at that 20.
Okay. Sandy just messaged me. Wherever he is, he's eating reindeer.
Yeah, he sent me that same menu.
I hope your kids ain't looking for Santa Claus this year. Sandy's eating the delivery method.
Yeah, because never had reindeer, and I said, nope.
Yeah, no. Gold is long. I like gold long. Yeah, 12.7. Oh my God. Crude got slaughtered and I missed it.
Crude could
All
be
right,
popping up 70, 69, 62.70.
Come on, let's go, ES. Give me a target. Just one freaking target. Another one. Come on. Dig out of this grave. Let's go. Come on. Come on, NASDAQ, push. We need help.
Order canceled.
All right, got target one and break even. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Order canceled.
Got him. All right, we're crawling out of the grave. YM is still floating, hasn't gotten target or anything yet. Daily goal on YM is 700. We were halfway home. Holding support here at VWAP. Very few sellers in here. I mean, if this is going to sell, there are very few sellers. NASDAQ on the 1 minute is selling. It goes break even, guys, here at 89.25. Oh, yes. All right, it's at break even now. So you can't lose anything on this NASDAQ. And if this gets a target, its daily goal is done. Worst case, it's going to, give back whatever this was, 800, break even.
Order canceled.
Yeah, break even, which is cool. I'll take a break even trade. ES gets this target here. Come on, baby. And this is why I don't like that grab candle exit.
Order submitted.
Target one
Order submitted.
took another long.
Order submitted.
NASDAQ shorted. YM is still holding that long and hasn't done anything. This is what we got, guys. We're kind of chopping around. NASDAQ again will go break even about 90. I don't think there's enough volatility to get that target at 81. We're 10 to 10:30. We're kind of we're holding volume point of control. If I had to take a trade, it's long off of 90. The only way this sells is below 90. I've got us in longs, so trying for longs.
Order filled.
That's done for now. I don't care what it does. We're just in a chop. The only trade I'd be interested in on the NASDAQ would be longs. YM doing nothing. ES doing nothing. Can't get first target. NASDAQ could now come down to 78. They're buying them in here. They're buying them. We're at 700 on the positive delta. Whatever is getting sold in this zone is getting accumulated.
Go.
First target at 40.
Oh, okay.
I mean, I agree. I got small resistance. NASDAQ is getting ready to go. It's consolidating and it's going to go. You have an entry on NASDAQ you like?
No, what I'm looking for, I think there's more room to the downside than upside. I could be completely wrong, but that's
Got this thing going. I got this thing going to 595.
okay. All right.
I just don't have an entry.
Yeah, no,
I would guess maybe 32. YM is about, well, it's trying to get target. There it is. Come on, get target one hit on YM. So we are at 535 with a $700 daily goal. It needs that next target. If it gets that next target, YM is done for the day. Everything is green. Yes, so much. 445 on the day. I mean, I like steak tartare, but I don't know about reindeer tartare. Come on, get that target. Let's go, big guy. Come on. Hit it to the tick and didn't fill it. Should. Come on, one more push. Got it. All right, guys. So we're at 6. Target hit. So it killed the trade. Daily goal is 700. It's done trading. 685. That's it. Killed the trade. Booyah. The only thing that really is not a daily goal is freaking ES. I mean, I'm half tempted to short 21, 24. Come on down. Let's get a freaking target. I don't think this has a shot in hell of getting a target, guys.
That 83 area. Where are you down at? 69, okay.
And we're back into this low volume area again.
Order
All
failed.
right, I'm done for the day with these things, fellas. It's just straight chop.
Order submitted.
No, I don't believe so. All right, guys. Here comes top of the hour.
All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Greg, I'll see you tomorrow, man. Have a good afternoon. All right, let's here now. Here, this may break, but in any event, let's go over totals. Jesus, it isn't there yet, Richard. May's registration will not be there till Wednesday morning. The registration for the Trend Candle webinar for tomorrow is there. I can't put the registration for May in yet because there are people that log into the member area every day to get it. All right, guys. In the overnight session, for those of you that are on trial, we run gold and crude from 1 a.m. Eastern until 6 a.m. Eastern. I hit my daily goal, $1,200. It did $1,210, killed the trade. Crude, my daily goal is $700. It hit $720, killed the trade. All right, let's talk about the cash session. I have this set at $2,000 for a daily goal. This is NASDAQ on the 3-minute. It did $19.50. Okay. So $50 to target. I mean, that's close enough for me. Plus 720. Okay. ES, this is one of the rare days that ES did not hit its goal. 260, 250, but it traded out of a pretty steep hole. YM got daily goal at 685. $15 short of its $700 goal, but we'll call that daily goal. Last but not least, ES on the 1 minute, $560. 53.87.50 day, guys, for the trend candles. 53.87. And then discretionary trades, bear with me 1 second. Discretionary trades. Up, down, up, down, up. It was like military trading today. I'm up 1735. Does anybody have any questions? So 53.87 on the candles, plus 1735. 71.22.50 in the room today. Brian, it'll be recorded. Anybody have any questions, guys? In the member area, Richard. In the member area. Guys, man, some of you guys act like you have never done this stuff before. It's in the member area. Come on, load. I don't know why my members portal isn't loading. Go to the section on the trend candles and it's in there. Can't help you. It won't load. All right, guys. Have a blessed day. I'll see everyone tomorrow. If anybody needs me, email me. All right, guys. Have a great